Hi everyone, welcome to this video on maximizing storage solutions in a small space. If you're living in a small space, it can be a challenge to find enough storage for all of your belongings. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips to help you maximize storage in a small space. Tip number 1. Make use of vertical space. One of the key ways to maximize storage in a small space is to make use of vertical space. This includes adding shelves or cabinets to the walls or using stackable storage containers. Tip number 2. Utilize multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture, such as a storage ottoman or a bed with built-in drawers, can be a great way to add extra storage to a small space. Tip number 3. Use underbed storage. The space under your bed is often underutilized, but it can be a great place to store items. Consider using underbed storage containers or adding a bed with built-in drawers. Tip number 4. Take advantage of wall-mounted solutions. Wall-mounted solutions, such as a hanging wall rack or a mounted cabinet, can help you maximize storage without taking up valuable floor space. Tip number 5. Incorporate hidden storage. Hidden storage, such as a built-in bench with storage or a coffee table with a storage compartment, can help you keep your space clutter-free while still having plenty of storage. I hope these tips have helped you in maximizing storage solutions in a small space. With a little creativity and some smart storage solutions, you can have a small space that is both functional and stylish. Thank you for watching.